Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you on the Samsung Galaxy S24. This is the S24. I'll show you how to boot your device into Android recovery. Alright, so this is great for a hard reset. Now, in order to do this, you'll need to know the power button, the volume down button. So you're gonna hold both while the device is off, and of course that should do it. Now I'm gonna power off this device. All right, so as soon as I'm powered off, I'm going to hold correction. I'm going to hold power and volume up, not volume down. So that was an error. Sorry about that. So it's actually power and volume up while it's off. So now that the device is off, I'm sure it's off. So I'm going to hold power, volume up. Remember, power and volume up, and this will boot you into Android recovery on the S24. So leave the volume down alone. So press and hold. As you can see, as soon as you see that logo, let go of power, and I'm now holding volume up. There you go. So you're now in Android recovery. All right. So as you can see from the Android recovery screen here, it says at the top here, Android recovery, and it clearly writes it out for you. And of course, you'll use volume up and down to navigate and power to select. All right. So we see reboot system now. There's apply from ADB, apply updates from SD card, wipe factory data reset, and this is the one that's going to wipe your phone. And of course, before you do this one, which is the hard reset, make sure that you back up your device. So make sure that your pictures and so on are backed up, and also it's best to remove your Google account. So if you did not do that, you'll have to go back and do all of that. If you do not remove your Google account, it will cause the FRP lock, and the FRP lock will, of course, prevent you from continuing with the reset process until you enter the email address. All right, so you'd have to do a FRP bypass unless you remove your Google account while your device is on. All right, so you'll use power to select. All right, so once you're here, it's warning that you cannot undo this, and this device will be erased. All right, so you'll select factory data reset, and then I'll hit power here. All right, I will not do it now. I'm just simply showing you where to find the option. So for you do factory data reset. Once you're finished, it should return to, sorry. So once you're finished, it should return to this screen here. Then you can reboot system now. All right, so the system is going to reboot. Do note that on first startup that it will stay a little longer on these screens, so do not worry. Allow it to do its thing, and once it's finished, you'll set up your device afresh or as if it was brand new from the factory. All right, so that's how you do it on your Samsung Galaxy devices. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.